So I always knew that I wanted to be a teacher coach. What I thought I would do when I was in high school was to be a teacher and a coach. But then I got sidetracked and ended up on this athletic career. And while I was able to make enough of a living doing it that I didn't have to work because of sponsorships from shoe companies and things like that. I did not get rich. So I got sidetracked and got married, and it was time for me to move on in life. So came back to school to get a teaching certificate, and as I was doing that I realized, ended up here at Southwestern or in Georgetown, and met our athletic director, Dr. Gleda Munt, and she kind of said, hey, you're interested in coaching, but back then the job was not a full-time job and I wasn't ready. So, but I decided that I need to prepare myself for this, so that's when I decided to go back to school and prepared myself. And there was one time when she offered the job and I realized if I don't take it this time, it's going to be a long time before it's offered again. And that's right, because I'm still here. but no, that's how I started coaching. But I always thought I would be a teacher coach. What I realized when I was going through the certification process, I never followed through on that and ended up going to get my master's degree so that I could coach at the college level, was that I had been footloose, fancy-free far too long to be in a classroom all day. And as we were starting to go into the classroom, I realized that that probably was not the best move for me, and that I would be much happier in an environment where I could, be a coach and be a teacher coach full-time versus being in the classroom and a coach part-time.